With Justin Trudeau stepping down after almost a decade as Canada's Prime Minister, the spotlight turned to a race for his successor. Amongst many big names that are being considered, Anita Anand, an Indian origin leader, has emerged one of the strongest contenders. Now, this development has sparked interest not only in Canada but also among Indians worldwide, as her rise reflects the growing influence of the Indian diaspora on the global stage. Trudeau's resignation marks the end of an era for Liberal Party. After nearly 10 years in power, his popularity has declined significantly, with internal struggles and voters' dissatisfaction pushing him to step aside. In his announcement, Trudeau stated that he wouldn't lead the party into the next elections, but he will continue to serve as Prime Minister until a new leader is chosen. He emphasized that the decision was for the greater good of Canada's democracy. He said, and I quote, "I don't back down from fights, but I deeply care about the country and the future of our democracy." Now, to facilitate this transition, Canada's Parliament, initially scheduled to reconvene in late January, has been postponed to March 24, allowing time for a leadership race within the Liberal Party. Anita Anand has captured attention as a potential successor. Currently serving as Canada's Ministry of Transport, Anita has steadily climbed the rank of Canada's politics since entering the scene back in 2019. Representing Oakville, the Canada's suburb, she has built a reputation as a strategic and ambitious leader. Her journey, however, began far from political limelight. Born in Canterville, Nova Scotia, to Indian immigrant parents, her story is one of the hard work, education, and dedication. Her father, S.B. Anand, was a general surgeon, and her mother, Saroj Ram, was a doctor as well. The values installed by her parents played a vital role in shaping her career. Now, Anita's academic credentials are equally impressive. She holds a bachelor's degree in political studies from Queen's University, a bachelor's degree from Oxford University, a bachelor's degree of law from Dalhousie University, and a Master of Law from the University of Toronto. Now, before stepping into politics, Anita was a distinguished academic, teacher at renowned institutions like Yale, Queen's University, and Western University as well. Her legal expertise and academic contribution added depth to her public service when she transitioned into governance. Her political career has been marked by significant accomplishment as well. As the Minister of Public Services and Procurement during COVID-19 pandemic, Anita played a vital role in ensuring Canada's vaccine supply chain remained robust. Back in 2021, she became the Ministry of Defense, where she faced the dual challenges of assisting Ukraine in its war against Russia and addressing personal issues within Canada's armed forces. Despite facing challenges like cabinet shuffle that moved her to Treasury Board, she remained an influential figure within the Liberal Party. In December 2024, she was appointed Minister of Transport, further solidifying her leadership credential. Anita Anand's rise has generated immense pride amongst Indians across the globe. Her story resonates with many as it embodies the journey of countless Indian immigrants who have worked very hard just to establish themselves in foreign lands. Anita's potential leadership is particularly significant for Indian immigrants in Canada, as it could lead to more inclusive policies, a stronger voice for multicultural communities, and a deeper understanding of immigrant issues at a highest level of governance. But here, let me tell you, Anita is not the only Indian origin politician in the spotlight. George Chahal, a Liberal MP and a community advocate, is also being considered as a top contender for leadership. While Anita's experience in governance make her a formidable candidate, Chahal's grassroots appeal has earned him significant support, particularly among party loyalists. The leadership race within the Liberal Party is actually expected to be highly competitive, with opposition leader like Pierre Poilievre preparing for what could be the most heated election. If Anita Anand succeeds, she will not only become the leader of the Liberal Party, but also make the history as Canada's first Prime Minister of Indian origin. Now, for Indians worldwide, Anita's story is a source of inspiration. Her journey from being a daughter of immigrant doctor in Nova Scotia to being top contender for Canada's highest office showcases the remarkable contribution of Indian diaspora. If she becomes the Prime Minister, it could mark a historic moment, strengthening ties between both India and Canada while inspiring millions of Indians globally. Anita Anand's rise is not just a political story. It's a testament of how hard work, education, and perseverance can lead to extraordinary achievements. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and follow TimesXP for more such updates.